Cristiano Ronaldo, World Cup 2026. Your final World Cup, your final match. The end of an era, the dream is over. Portugal will never forget. Goodbye, captain, goodbye, legend.
Goodbye, Cristiano.
Thank you for every memory.
Goodbye,
Captain of Portugal, you gave your heart, you gave your soul.
one last dance, one last World Cup, one final goodbye.
Cristiano Ronaldo, the world will never forget you. A boy with an impossible dream. From the streets of Madeira, he conquered England, he conquered Spain, he conquered Italy, he conquered the world. Goals, records, trophies, history. You became the greatest, you carry Portugal year after year,
Dream after dream,
every time they doubted you,
you answered on the pitch. Goodbye, goodbye, Cristiano.
thank you for every memory.
Goodbye,
Captain of Portugal, you gave your heart, you gave your soul.
one last dance, one last World Cup, one final goodbye.
Cristiano Ronaldo, the world will never forget you. The World Cup was the last mountain, the last dream, the final mission. Portugal believed, millions believed, but football can be cruel. Spain ended the journey in the round of 16. The dream faded, but never your legacy. Because greatness isn't measured by one trophy, it's measured by the lives you changed.
Goodbye, goodbye, Cristiano.
Thank you for every memory.
Goodbye,
Captain of Portugal, you gave your heart, you gave your soul.
one last dance, one last World Cup, one final goodbye.
Cristiano Ronaldo, the world will never forget you.